Hi, I'm Chris Doughty from ARRMARC and I'm here to tell you about the new compound HOONS tyres, available in gold and silver compounds. These offer different levels of grip and performance. The three compounds of tyre we have different levels of grip and tyre life. The gold tyre has ultimate traction at the expense of tyre life. The white compound is a great all-round balance, and the silver compound tyre has a little less traction but much greater tyre life. The best all-round tyre is the white compound tyre. However, if you are in higher ambient temperatures, the silver compound tyre offers you greater tyre life, and in the lower ambient temperatures, the gold compound tyre offers you greater grip. All three tyres are belted, all three tyres are fast. If you want to go crazy fast, the silver compound tyre is for you. The compound allows it to retain its shape at high speeds. These wheels and tyres are a direct fit on the ARRMAR Limitless and Infraction, also the Typhon and Mojave 6S vehicles, and any other vehicle which has a 17mm hex design.
ARRMARC. Designed fast, designed tough.